Hey guys, it's Yam and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an easy summer makeup look, and the look that I will be creating today is the same as the one that I had when we went to El Nido, Palawan last May 2019. I'm the type of girl or tourist kasi guys na especially when I'm with my uncle or cousins na even though magbe-beach trip kami, magme-makeup talaga kami. Yes guys, you heard it right. Even if maliligo lang kami sa dagat, magme-makeup muna kami before kami maligo sa dagat. I don't want to be just beach ready. I also want my face to be photo ready. Gusto ko rin photoshoot ready yung face ko guys because wala lang. If you're one of my close friends, then you really know na ang hilig ko sa picture-picture, photoshoot, mga ganong bagay. Mga simpleng photoshoot to capture memories. Okay, too much talking, so if you want to know the products that I used for this easy summer makeup look, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell beside it so you will be notified on my next video just like this one. If you're ready, let's begin.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
So first would be skincare. Of course, moisturize your face para maging hydrated at hindi dry yung face nyo guys. Even though maliligo lang kayo ng dagat at wala lang, ma-wash off raman gyapon. So, wala ra. I just do this. Kasi, before going to El Nido, trip na yun eh. Like, so, you have to be, your face should be ready all the time. Next would be the serum. As usual, I will be using this tomato serum from Skin Potions because wala lang, I love this. And sunscreen or sunblock. Of course, this is not the exact sunblock that I used when we went there sa El Nido. Pero guys, as much as possible, naglalagay talaga ako ng maraming sunblock sa face ko. Basta maliligo ako sa beach o kahit pool man lang para hindi masyadong masunog yung balat ko. And if maglalagay kayo ng sunblock sa face nyo, include your body na lang din because they are equally important. Para hindi ka nung masunog yung skin nyo, guys. For the makeup, nakakilay na ako guys because kakagaling ko lang sa work. Isiningit ko lang na mag-film today na galing sa work. Okay, laban or dito no? And I used this Yamyam drawing eyebrow pencil in the shade number 3 brown. And this kilay, hindi na talaga ito exact way ng pagkakadraw ko guys kasi nung pumunta kami sa El Nido, okay na okay yung kilay ko doon kasi naka-thread yun. But today, gubot na kaya kong kilay marinig talasangan. So like, if I draw my kilay na chamba-chamba ra gyud. Next is the eyeshadow. I will be using this 𝐒𝐔𝐈𝐓 eyeshadow. We care your favors. 18 shades full function palette. This was given to me by my sister Angel Cabaron. She also has a YouTube channel. So guys, if you're interested about makeups, then please do check out her channel and don't forget to subscribe. I will choose this shade. It's salmon. And I will apply this all over my lids, and this will serve as my transition color na din. Charot. Painter ka, girl? Wow, nag-iisang buhok sa mukha, good. Gusto ko kasi yung peachy colors lang, guys. Especially if magbi-beach trip kami. Gusto ko yung parang sunset, peachy, glow, something. Salmon again. Nani me before maligo sa beach. So, era mo katingala kay nani ra dyan. I don't know what I'm doing, but and no guys, I will not put concealer under my eyes kasi less is more and maliligo tayo ng dagat. So, yeah. Gusto ko lang may pop of colors yung eyes ko. And the next one would be shimmer shadow kasi guys, gusto ko na pag mainitan ng araw, yung eyes ko may glow siya, may yung spark, shimmer, something. I will use this sunset shimmer shadow and just put it on my lids. Ito siya. See? Shimmer shadow is the key. Fuck! Maligo pa kang dagat, girl. Ano yung maligong dagat, guys? Don't judge, okay? I know we're not alone and I'm not alone. Some people do it too. Nanay, kinabuhi akong face. I want nobody but you. So, few products lang ito, guys. Don't worry, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. The next one would be this Cherry Dew Lip and Cheek Tint from the brand Tropicana. I really love this because wala lang. I really love this kasi hindi siya drying sa lips and I used this way back nung college pa ako. And yes, hindi ako nagle-lipstick pag nagbi-beach ako, guys, kasi wala lang. Mas light kasi sa feeling pag lip and cheek tint lang. Tamang pang-pa-fresh lang ng look yung hindi masyadong pale yung lips ko. Kasi if you would look at me now, pale yung lips ko, diba? Like, parang siyang walang kabuhay-buhay. So, mag-a-apply lang ako ng Tropicana Lip and Cheek Tint. Tawon ako, besh! Grabe. Pero, bitaw guys, mo dyan akong gihimo katong nangatong Palawan. I will insert a picture here sa look ko nun. And, ito lang talaga ang ginawa ko. Plus, the natural lighting, which is the sunlight, the 3 p.m. glow. The best. lakas maka-fresh. Yung parang worry-free ka lang. Okay, so this one, masyado siyang mapula. Pero, pag makaligo kayo ng dagat, guys, don't worry because mawawala din yung makeup nyo. So, lubos-lubosin nyo lang. Okay, picture. Another one, picture. Diba? Just be photo ready. Always. Especially when you're out and about and wala. Mag-hiking kayo, papawisan kayo. Laban lang sa makeup. I also don't remember using this lip and cheek tint sa cheeks ko, guys, nung pumunta kami doon kasi wala lang. I'm not the type of person na palaging nag-cheek tint. So, I will not use this today and hindi ko na to ilalagay sa cheeks ko. Sapat na sa akin sa lips ko na hindi ako pale. So, and lastly is the highlighter. I will use this EB Advanced Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Strobe. And I'm pretty sure I didn't use this when we went there kasi ginamit ko yung highlighter ng sister ko. It's the Mary Luminizer. And the best talaga yun. Sobrang ganda nun, guys. And maglalagay lang ako ng konti dito para kapag maaarawan yung cheeks ko, ma-achieve ko yung sun-kissed glow, yung parang ganun. And konting-konti lang, guys. Kasi hindi ko naman gusto maligo ng highlight. May natural oil pa naman ako sa skin ko, so for sure mag-glow pa din yung skin ko. I'll put a bit here. And also sa nose bridge ko. Less is more.
Ryan Little.
And that's it for today's makeup sesh, you guys. If you like this look, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what are your thoughts about this simple and easy summer makeup look. Share this to your friends if you know some of them are planning to hit the beach. Of course, not now because the situation that we are encountering lately isn't favorable for us to go to the beach and enjoy summer or even just go out of the house. So stay put or summer, guys. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos from me. This has been Yamyam saying goodbye and see you next time. Bye!